takes me to you.
Well, look what's following us home. Little trailer, little truck, future BumbbleBee. So we did a road trip about 2 hours to Council Bluffs and we found us a 69 Beetle. Easiest job of loading I've ever seen. We'll catch him when we get it home. Well, we made it home. It doesn't look like much, but there's new floor pans, new heater channels. The stickers are still on the floor pans. Got some kind of Rust-Oleum brown ugly paint. Don't know if it was originally black. 69. It could have been originally black. But I know it doesn't look like much, but it's pretty solid. They had the fenders all off at one time. It has all new fender bolts. We got some issues in the fender well to take care of, but basically clean car. This trailer's not mine. It came with a free tow bar. Got a free tow bar with it. So the next question is, what will it be? We're thinking this is going to be BumbbleBee, because we got NASCAR Herbie. We're making Herbie the Love Bug, and the last Disney car be BumbbleBee. We'll see. It's a little early yet, but that's kind of what we've been talking about. Turn them into BumbbleBee. We'll have 3 Disney cars. We'll give you more of a tour once we get it unloaded and get a chance to take a closer look.
Nah, it's aiming pretty straight.